Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a huge makeup haul because recently I bought a crap ton of makeup and I want to show you everything I got. Instead of just doing like a Sephora haul or an ABH haul, we're doing a full inclusive huge makeup haul. The first thing I want to talk about are the new Limecrime liquid lipsticks. They came out with 5 liquid lipsticks that are supposed to correspond with each Venus palette they have. Today I am wearing the shade Sparrow, which is the most beautiful orange I have ever tried. It is so pretty, and you guys know I love the Limecrime formula, so of course I had to pick up all the shades. Keeping to the liquid lipsticks theme, I also picked up some more Melt Cosmetics liquid lipsticks. I picked up the shade B-Movie, Gwendolyn, and Sequel. These are the newest ones from their line, and you guys know I love liquid lipsticks and I love their formula, so I couldn't pass it up. I also picked up 2 of the Colourpop Blur lipsticks. This is the shade Sorry Not Sorry. It's purple, so of course I had to pick it up, and I do really enjoy this formula. Recently I placed 2 ABH orders on their actual website because they've had some exclusive to their website only products come out, and I needed them.
Okay, no, I didn't need them, but I really wanted them.
You guys know I love ABH, definitely my top 5 brands. First off, let's talk about the Love collection, which comes in this beautiful packaging. Like, look at that heart. I'm gonna keep this heart forever. It's so pretty. I did an unboxing and swatch video of the glitters that come in this, but you get a few glitters, which are limited edition, and you get the glitter adhesive. It's cheaper to get the box set than the glitters I wanted, so I just got the box set. I was only gonna get like 3 or 4 of the glitters, but it was cheaper to just get the set, so I just decided, hey, let's get the set. Other things I got were the Sunset and Daytime palette collection. I had to get these because I love them. I've done a tutorial with this one already, but I need to do a tutorial with this one. But I just love ABH, and these are my first single shadow palettes I have, and I really like them. This gold is amazing. Like, these shadows are so perfect. I just hope that they don't continue to do just website exclusives, because it sucks, because then it's like, I want these but I can't get them. And next, of course, I have the Morphe and Jeffree Star brush collection. I have just reviewed this, so I will link that in the cards and down in the description. But I've been wanting the Tribe palette for a long time. The packaging is gorgeous, and this is what the shades look like. I definitely do a look with this because honestly I'm just so excited. There's so many good shades. As you guys know, I love Colourpop, and they recently had the Build Your Own palette sale on, so you get a discount if you make your own palette with their single shadows. I am super disappointed because I ordered the holographic palette, and instead they sent me this, and I'm sorry, but I personally do not like this design at all. It's not me. Holographic is. I emailed them to let them know that they messed up, and they gave me a $10 off coupon, which I guess is good, but at the same time I would have just rather gotten the holographic one that I ordered. But that's okay, I'll just use my $10 off coupon with something else. So this is a 24 shadow palette, and you open it. So this is my custom Colourpop palette. All of these shadows are Colourpop except for this one is Baby Bat Beauty. I'm really excited. I do like their single shadows, and I definitely am going to make probably like a 12 shadow palette for the rest of the shades that I wasn't able to pick up. Speaking of Colourpop, I also bought a few of their palettes. I have the It's My Pleasure palette and the Ooh La La palette. Now, Colourpop shared my product shots twice, one of this and one of this, and I literally died. I was so freaking excited. You guys know I love Colourpop, and I have for a long time, and these palettes are beautiful. I've already used this and I love it. I'm honestly just so happy with Colourpop's palettes, and I hope they come out with more because I'm getting very antsy waiting for them to come out with something even better. Next, I have the Ace Beauty Flare palette. I've seen this on Instagram a ton, and I decided, you know what the heck, I'll finally get it. And I mean, of course, I had to with that green shade. It speaks to me like hell yes. You guys know I love the Huda Beauty Melted Shadows. So of course when she came out with the new shades, I had to get them all. I also picked up the 2 shades that I didn't get previously because I was like, you know what? I need them all. This is my favorite product. So I got them. I'm very happy today. I am wearing the yellowy green shade on both my lids and the shimmery one from that duo as my liner, and honestly I cannot say enough good things about this. These are easy to use and I'm just honestly so happy. I just hope she comes out with more shades because I'm honestly obsessed. Recently I placed an order with Shoppers Drug Mart and they had like a deal going on where you get like a $70 free set of makeup and skincare and stuff if you spend a certain amount, and I did. So I will go through what came free with that, but first I want to show you guys what I got. You guys know that I get PR from Pixie Beauty, but I really wanted these 2 new liquid fairy light shades because they're green and blue. They're so pretty and I wasn't sure if we would get it in PR, so I just decided screw it, I'm going to buy it. I also picked up 2 things from Wet n Wild. They finally have the Skelographic collection that Wet n Wild released like freaking months ago. Shoppers finally had it, so I picked up the liquid shadow I wanted and the highlighter I wanted. You guys know I love Wet n Wild. I do get some of their PR, but not all, and this is stuff I didn't get, so I really wanted to get them. Next, I got the Maybelline Holographic Shadow in 100. I have 50, and 050 is amazing. That is like my all-time favorite glittery highlighter, and when I saw that Shoppers had this, I was like, yes. The last thing I got from Shoppers is I got the black holographic glitter polish from Essence. I love this nail polish. I'm wearing it on my crappy nails today. Obviously not this color, but I love Essence nail polish. It is a cheap price for a very good quality product. Now let's dig into this little goodie bag. Let's see what we got in here. We got this L'Oreal matte liquid lipstick. That is such a pretty shade. The NYX Lip Lingerie. It's just super brown color. Not my thing. That's it for this makeup haul. If you enjoyed, please remember to subscribe. Comment down below any videos you'd like me to do, and I will definitely do them. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.